Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for this clean and decorate with me. This video is definitely long overdue, but I thought better late than never. So I want to show you how you can transform a room for autumn on a budget, how to spice up a room with the bare minimum and really bring autumn into your home. I'm just going to be decorating the kitchen in today's video, adding a pop of colour and some warmth and showing you how you can do it too. This is everything we've got to work with and it's really not a lot. I'm only doing the kitchen and I just wanted to show you how you can decorate on a budget, bring a pop of colour into the room and just have fun with it without having to go overboard. I think this mug is so cute. It says hedgehogs and it was only £2.50, so I had to get it. But I think this was definitely my favourite. How much was this? This was only £6.99 from TK Maxx. I absolutely love this. It does light up as well, so I think that's an absolute bargain. I got the candle, I got both of the trays from the range along with these, and I don't even know if these are going to be used, but I thought they were really pretty. A squirrel that Rob absolutely fell in love with and said that we had to get, so I'll try and work that in and add some pop of colour and let's just see what we can create.
It's like you almost know what I am thinking, 'cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life, 'cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing.
So as we don't actually celebrate autumn here in the UK, finding anything to decorate with was like finding gold. It was so difficult, which is why this video is a bit late because I had to wait for a few things to arrive from Amazon. But I'm really pleased with what I did manage to gather up and transform my kitchen with. I think I've got quite a cold kitchen just because it is grey and there's no colour in it. So I wanted to stay traditional with the oranges, burnt reds and all that jazz, just to warm it up a bit and give it a bit of spice. I also did get the blue pumpkin just because I fell in love with it. It doesn't go with the theme, but I did put it somewhere where I think it suits it quite well. So yeah, I'm really happy with everything I got. If you're trying to do the same and you're still looking, I would suggest looking in TK Maxx, and HomeSense are the best bet this year for autumn decor. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the washing up away, clean it down the sink and everything so I can crack on and decorate the windowsill. I do decorate it differently than I thought I was going to, and it turns out so much better. So I'm really happy when things like that happen. I was a little bit disappointed to start with because I thought my original plan just wasn't going to work and I wasn't going to be able to decorate it, but I really love how it turned out. So never forget, when you are decorating something and it doesn't quite go to plan, it's always because it's just going to go better instead. So always be optimistic and just carry on, because you never know what you're going to end up with. So I think the most expensive thing I bought for this were those 2 trays. They were only £8, so it was still a bargain, but that was the most that I spent on this. I got them from the range. I got the lights and the pumpkins and the fruit both from eBay. The lights were only about £3, and then the pumpkin and fruit that comes with acorns and leaves and everything else was only about £6. So definitely do check eBay out if you are struggling to find anything in the shops. But my original plan was to string the lights all the way across the windowsill and have the whole windowsill lit up. But you could just see it too much wire, and I wasn't really a fan of it. And I absolutely loved how the other tray turned out. So I decided to do something similar in the windowsill, and it just looks amazing. It's really good for a centerpiece. So if you have a dining room table or anything like that, I definitely would have this as a centerpiece or something like that. But unfortunately, we don't have a dining room or a dining room table. So I'm going to stick with the kitchen for these, but I just think they're so pretty, and you can literally pile them up and use whatever colours you want, whatever colour theme you're going for. I think it would really suit anything, and yeah, I'm absolutely in love with these. So I've always got to remember to tidy up as I go, because it always gets worse before it gets better. So I'm just going to have a quick tidy up now, then find a home for the candles and the other pumpkin, and just tidy everything up and give the kitchen a good clean. I am going to be showing you how I make it nice and autumn and wintry and just smelling amazing without having to use scented candles, wax burners, or even my air purifier, nothing like that. But this is what I do to instantly get the scent throughout my whole house, so do make sure you stick around until the end. So I bought these coasters thinking that I was going to use them with the cup, but like earlier in the video, things don't always go to plan, and I didn't know what it was going to look like, and I didn't really like it when I tried it. So I'm just going to tie them back together and put them on the windowsill, which again, I'm really glad that I didn't use them anywhere else, because they look really good on the windowsill. It just adds an extra depth to it. And then I'm just going to go and scatter the rest of the leaves that I've got throughout the windowsill, just so it looks like there's some leaves that have fallen off a tree or something like that. I really like it. So yeah, this has definitely warmed up the kitchen and added some lights and warm tones throughout, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it.
Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely.
So now I've finished decorating, it's time to make everywhere smell amazing. So I'm going to boil some water and fill the sink up and add a few capfuls of Sephora. I'm going for the warm cinnamon scent just because it really makes it feel wintry. I don't know what other scents you can get for autumn because I didn't really pay attention last year, so I'm definitely going to keep an eye out and see if there are any more autumny scents. But you can use whatever fragrance you want, and the minute that hits the water and the steam, the whole kitchen absolutely smells beautiful and so strong that it just made the whole downstairs smell. So rather than just going in with the spray, I'm going to use the boiling water and Sephora to disinfect all of the cabinets, because not only will they be clean, but they will also smell autumny. So I'm just going to go round and wipe everything down.
I'm too lonely to be downing my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy.
I absolutely love adding the scent to boiling water, and I think it's a great alternative if you don't like candles, or if you're anything like me and don't like candles unattended. I can't leave them if I can't see them. That is my rule. If they're in the same room as me and I can see them at all times, it's absolutely fine, but the minute I leave a room I do blow them out. So to keep the scent going, I think having boiling water in the sink really helps. It helps smell the whole house, and it's just so beautiful. It warms it up as well because I am using the warm cinnamon, so it's giving it a nice warm but wintry feel to it, which I love. And also because it is a disinfectant, it is cleaning the sink at the same time, and once I take the plug out, the drains will smell amazing, so it is definitely a win-win. I will be keeping an eye out for some pumpkin spice candles this year, but if you do want to make your house smell amazing instantly, definitely use boiling water and Safflora. Even though I have already cleaned all the sides off with the method spray, I'm going to go in again with this Safflora and water mix, because why not? It just makes it smell even stronger. So anything that keeps the smell there longer, I'm going to do. Obviously they don't need a big clean because I've already cleaned them, so just wiping them over to get them nice and fresh, and then I can go in and hoover and mop as well. I do have the steam mop, so I do add the warm cinnamon Safflora into my steam mop, because again, it just helps with the scent, it helps with the steam and everything, and it just smells amazing. So if you do have a steam mop, make sure that you do add your favourite scent to it, because it really does make a huge difference.
Sleeping at the worst motel somewhere. We had rashes for days. Do you remember that? In spite of everything that we lack, nothing compares to the freedom we had.
Thank you so much for watching today's Clean and Decorate with me. I really hope that you've enjoyed it and it's inspired you to clean and also decorate this autumn. Do let me know down in the comments if you are decorating and what your theme is. I am going to go ahead and leave another video at the end of this one so you can get even more cleaner motivation today, and I'm going to see you back here in the next one.